Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to change payment method on Hulu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your payment method on Hulu, you need to simply log in into your Hulu account page. So once you open your Hulu account page on a computer or a mobile browser, you need to now simply locate the payment information section. So once you're in the payment information section, you need to select update payment. After you have done this, you need to now add your new payment details and you will be redirected to submit your new payment method like PayPal and then brought back to Hulu to confirm it. Now, after everything is done, you need to finalize the thing by clicking on Save Changes. So once this is done as well, you will be able to change payment method on Hulu. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.